do we describe this movie? It's not bad, it's just there. Hello YouTube world, welcome to this new video. Let's discuss movies. And I say discuss because I am not a film critic. I am no one to review a movie. I am just an audience like you and everybody around us who love to spend their time watching movies and shows. So today we will discuss the movie Attirangi Re that came out on Hotstar on the 24th of December. And this movie was heavily marketed in the media and in the social media, to be precise. And I'm not lying, I was genuinely waiting and looking forward to this movie. The sole reason for that was Dhanush. Come on, we all missed him in Bollywood after Ranjana. And again, he was the sole reason that made me stick through the entire film. Without spoiling much, Attirangi Re revolves around the lives of Sara Ali Khan's character Rinku, who is a witty, दुनिया से लड़ झगड़ जाने वाली लड़की, but also lonely. She comes from rural Bihar, who says मेरा तो स्वयंवर होना चाहिए. Love this character. And Dhanush's character Vishu, who is a medical student / doctor, that wasn't made clear, who's from Tamil Nadu and has his whole life planned and sorted out until he was kidnapped and forced to marry Rinku, who by the way had tried to flee a bunch of times following her love interest Akshay Kumar's character Sajjad, or we think so. The story of this movie, I can't say much because it's a major spoiler. It is something different and fresh, but on paper. So if we read it as a story or a script, or if someone describes us the story, it is very interesting. But when it was presented as a 2+hour movie, it lacked grasp क्योंकि कुछ भी कहीं भी हो रहा था. In the need to present a fresh story, they ended up messing the whole premise. This movie also addressed issues like mental illness, emotional abuse and trauma, but ended up caricaturingly presenting and rather neglecting these issues, which is already avoided in the society. But at least they tried talking about it, which made the climax a little apprehendable and emotional also. And what didn't disappoint was Dhanush's acting. He captivates his audience like there's this scene in which he has tears in his eyes and he's ranting in Tamil. Even though we don't understand what he's saying, we can feel him and it's just so captivating to watch. He was the only good thing that came through. The songs of this movie are beautiful. Well, of course, they are from A.R. Rahman. Songs like Red Zarasi and Tere Rang are something you can listen to on a loop. Also, Chaka Chak is a fun earworm. The performances by all three actors are very good, but the characters that they are playing are written in a very questionable manner and are rather incomplete. Like for example, at the pace at which Vishu falls in love with Rinku within a mere 20 minutes after he was forced to marry her is rather questionable and it comes out to be incomplete. Well, overall, it is a fun movie. You can definitely watch it for Dhanush's amazing acting, the songs, and it's a fresh story that has come in Bollywood after a long time. So definitely, if you had the time and if you want to check it out, please do. Well, this was the video. I hope you liked it. Let me know if you found this discussion interesting from this movie buff. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and comment. And please do subscribe, it means a lot. And I will see you soon. Thank you.